Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on how to find the particular integral when right hand side is either sin ax or cos ax. As we know that the particular integral of sin ax and cos ax is obtained by substituting the value of d square is equal to minus a square, and the value of a is obtained from either sin ax this value or cos ax this value. Okay, let us clear by using this example. Solve d square y divided by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to right hand side we have sin 3x. So first I will write the auxiliary equation for this. First we have to make two parts. The left hand side part is the first one and second part is sin 3x. Complementary function is obtained by this. Particular integral is obtained by this. If you add these two terms, you will get complete solution. So first I will write, or first I will solve the left hand side. So auxiliary equation is, or brief, the given equation can also be written as, so we can write it as d square plus 5d plus 6 bracket complete y is equal to sin 3x. Now auxiliary equation is, so auxiliary equation we can write it as m square plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. Here constant term is 6. Find the two factors to get plus 5. After multiplication you will get 6 and after adding you must get 5. So that is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we can write it as m square plus 3m plus 2m plus 6 is equal to 0. From first two terms you can take m common. We are left with m plus 3. From last two terms you can take 2 common. We are left with m plus 3 and this is equal to 0. So m plus 2 into m plus 3 is equal to 0, or m is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. Both are different. Therefore complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 3x. So this is the one part, that is left hand side. Now to solve the right hand side, we have to find the particular integral. So now I will write particular integral of sin 3x, and this is equal. How to find the particular integral of sin 3x? 1 divided by f of d. That is 1 divided by f of d is, this value is nothing but f of d. D square plus 5d plus 6. D square plus 5d plus 6 of sin 3x. Okay. What is the rule to find the particular integral of sin x? I have written here. D square is replaced by minus a square, and the value of a is obtained from sin ax. So this is the value of a. So here a is equal to 3. Put d square is equal to minus a square, means you will get minus a square, means 3 square is 9 in denominator. So this is equal to 1 divided. So d square value, so we have d square is equal to minus 9. I will write minus 9 as it is. The remaining terms as it is. We cannot substitute the other d value. only wherever you are having d square, you can substitute the value of d square. Otherwise, remaining terms you can keep as it of sine 3x. So this is equal to 1 divided by 5d minus 9, and this plus 6 is equal to minus 3 of sine 3x. Now still d remains. So try to convert this d in terms of d square. You have to convert d in terms of d square. To convert d in terms of d square, you can rationalizing. Rationalizing means multiply and divided by 5d plus 3, so that denominator becomes a plus b into a minus b. You will get a square minus a square. A is nothing but d, means you will get d square, and you can substitute the value of d square is equal to minus a square. So I will write here multiply and divided by, multiply and divided by, multiply and divided by 5d plus 3. 5d plus 3. So how much you will get? 5d plus 3 divided by 5d minus 3 into 5d plus 3 of sine 3x. This is equal 5d plus 3 divided by, denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A value is 5d. A square value you will get 25d square. Minus b value is 3. B square value you will get 9 of sine 3x. Now in denominator we have d square. So put d square is equal to minus a square. A value is 3, means you will get minus 9. This is equal to 5d plus 3 divided by 25 into d square value is minus 9. I will write minus 9 as this, and then again minus 9 of sine 3x is equal to 5d plus 3 divided by, what is 25 into minus 9? 25 into minus 9 is minus 225. 9 into 5 is 45. 4, 18 plus 4 is 20. Okay, minus 225, and this is minus 9 of sine 3 is equal to 5d plus 3 divided by minus 234 of sine 3x. Okay, now this is equal, I will write minus 1 divided by 234 as it. Now we have to simplify this. Simplifying this means 5d of sine 3x means 5 as it is. d of sine 3x means differentiation of sine 3x. And what is differentiation of sine 3x? Differentiation of sine 3x is 3 into cos 3x. Differentiation of sine 3x is cos 3x. Differentiation of 3x is 3. That is 3 into cos 3x. So 5 as it is. d of sine 3x is differentiation of sine 3x is equal to 3 cos 3x, and then plus 3 into sine 3x. That is 3 into sine 3x. You can take here 3 outside. So that is 5 into 3 into bracket cos 3x plus sine 3x divided by minus 234. You can cancel. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21 and 3 8s are 24. So total you will get particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 5 into bracket cos 3x plus sin 3x divided by minus 78. This is particular integral. Therefore, CS is equal to CF plus PI. And sorry, here I have made a small mistake. 5 as it is. Differentiation of sin 3x is 3 cos 3x. You can square bracket close here only, and the remaining term is 3 into sine 3x. And now you can take 3 common, so that inside here you will get 5. 5 cos 3x plus sine 3x. You can take 3 outside. So total we can write it as 5 cos 3x plus sine 3x divided by minus 70. I will repeat it. Minus 1 divided by 234 as it is. 5 as it is. Differentiation of sine 3x is 3 cos 3x plus, this is separate, 3 times sine 3x, that is 3 times sine 3x. 5 into 3 is 15 and this is 3, you can take 3 outside. So I have taken 3 common. Here we are left with 5 and cos 3x, 5 cos 3x, and this is sine 3x as it is. And then 3 1 sine 378, so you will get minus 1 divided by 78, 5 cos 3x plus sine 3. So this is equal to, complete solution means y is equal to CF is C1 e raised to minus 2x plus C2 e raised to minus 3x plus particular integral minus 1 divided by 78 into bracket 5 cos 3x plus sine 3x. So this is the required solution for d square over by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to sine 3x. You can take one more example. d cube y divided by dx cube. Solve. d cube y divided by dx cube plus d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx plus y is equal to sine 2x. Oh, so this is the first part and this is second part. So first I will write the given equation can also be written as d cube plus d square plus d plus 1 bracket complete y is equal to sine 2x. Now auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m cube plus m square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. From first two terms, you can take m square common. We are left with m plus 1. From last two terms, you can take 1 outside. Again, we are left with m plus 1, that is equal to 0. If you take m plus 1 common, that is m plus 1, and m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M plus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 1. And here m square is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to plus or minus I. I square is equal to minus 1. So you can write it as plus or minus I. And this one you can also write it as 0 plus or minus I into 1. Means alpha plus or minus I into beta. Alpha value is equal to 0, beta value is equal to 1. Therefore, complementary function CF is equal to first C1 e raised to minus x plus. For this one, for this complex number, you can write e raised to 0 alpha x. Alpha value is 0, so e raised to 0x is equal to e raised to 0 and e raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then C2 cos beta x, beta value is equal to 1. So C2 cos x plus C3 sin x. Here you can write formula is e raised to alpha x into bracket C2 cos beta x plus C3 sin beta x, where alpha value is 0 and beta value is 1. Okay. Okay, e raised to 0 into x is e raised to 0 and e raised to 0 is 1, so I have not written. C2 cos 1x is C2 cos x, C3 sin 1x is equal to C3 sin. So this is complementary function which is half of the part, that is left hand side part. Now you can find the particular integral of sin 2x. Particular integral of sin 2x. How to find? This is 1 divided by f of d. F of d value is d cube, or I will write this part also. D square plus 1 into d plus 1 also. D square plus 1 into d plus 1. Both are same. That is d cube plus d square plus d plus 1. You can write it as d square plus 1 into d plus 1 of sin 2x. Okay. In case of particular integral of sin x, replacing d square by minus a square, so put d square is equal to minus a square, and that is minus as it is. Do not get confusion with minus a whole square. It is not minus a whole square. Minus a whole square gives plus a square. Here minus is separate and a square is separate. So minus right as it is a square. This is a value. A value is 2 means a square is equal to 4. So just we can put d square value is equal to minus 4. That is 1 divided by this d square is equal to minus 4 plus 1. Next d plus 1 of sin 2x. Next you can write this is 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. 1 divided by d plus 1 sin 2x. Now try to convert this d in terms of d square. And to convert in terms of d square, multiply and divide it by, that is rationalizing. Multiply and divide it by d minus 1. Multiply and divided by d minus 1. So how much we will get? Minus 1 divided by 3 as it is. This is d minus 1 divided by d plus 1 into d minus 1 of sin 2x. This is equal d plus 1 as it is, this sin 3x as it is, divided by this minus 3 as it is. D plus 1 into d minus 1 is d square minus 1. Now we have d square, so put d square is equal to minus a square is equal to minus 4. How much you will get? That is equal to d plus 1 divided by minus 3 into 1 divided by d square minus 1. Put d square is equal to minus 4. This is minus 4 and minus 1. I will write minus 4 and minus 1 of sin 2x. D square is equal to minus 4 and this minus 1. Minus 4 and minus 1. So total d plus 1 divided by minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 and minus into minus 3 is 15. That is sin 2x. Now you can solve this. 1 divided by 15 I will write as it. Now what is differentiation of sin 2x? Differentiation of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x and 1 into sin 2x is sin 2x. So this is particular integral. Now CS is equal to CF plus PI. Substitute both the values, you will get the required solution. That is y is equal to complementary function value is this. That is C1 e raised to minus x plus C2 cos x plus C3 sin x, and then plus particular integral is plus 1 by 50 into bracket 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x. So this is the required solution. Thank you.